Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Facebook. I'm not going to be on here long. Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube, if you're watching, right? This is going to be really a quick video. But how I help a married couple earn, let me make sure my earbuds are in so you all can hear me. Or bring in an extra $1,000 into their household on yesterday, right? It took me all of 30 minutes to help them with this strategy. So the thing is, good morning, Mr. McKee. As you all tune in, hit like and hit share. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. So this married couple is who I'm helping rebuild, restore, and their credit, right? Rebuild, repair, and restore their credit. And so I've helped them get over total together. The husband had like 52 inquiries for Equifax, 19 from TransUnion. The wife had like 23. So it's over a total of 100 inquiries removed. Collection was removed from the wife. I think it was acceptance now, collection, charge-offs, things of that nature. And so they're looking to purchase a home in Thanksgiving, right around Thanksgiving, Christmas time. And they wanted to create more cash flow, trade in the current vehicle that they have for a lesser price vehicle, right? Because they got some bad equity that rolled over on the current vehicle, and they want to make a trade in. And I told them, I said, look, right now, do not do anything with your credit if you want to qualify for this home, because you're pre-qualified now, right? But what happens right at the close of the deal is that they pull your credit again. If anything changes, that could automatically disqualify you to purchase this home. And I said, so real quickly, do you all want to know a way to increase the current income that you have now to join a membership for a personal finance success company that teaches you debt elimination plan, that teaches you credit education anyway? And all you have to do is share it with your friends and family. There's no products to sell. You don't have inventory or anything. It's just strategies. It's just systems. You download an app on your phone to keep, every time you go out to eat, you take a snapshot of the receipt and you enter in who, what, when, and where. And if you look on the your W-4, Google 2018 W-4, you will see that there is a second portion on there. Well, first of all, on their W-4, they were not claiming their child tax credit, right? They have a daughter. They had not updated their W-4, and they were not claiming those exemptions, the 4 exemptions that they qualified, married, filing, joint, for their child care tax credit. That's number one. And so out of those exemptions now, if you look at the second section, because they became members of this, and it's only $47 to become a member and $34 a month. And that $34 a month is only so you can have the Finance Success software. So if you want to know more about that, go to the website, www.howtoshiftmyincome.com, right? But on to the video. And so with my video. And so they got their child tax credit. And also under there, you have your deductions page. I'm getting like several text messages this morning. You have deductions page. Under there, that deductions is where many people who have a job miss out on additional allowances that they can have on their W-4. So if you have additional allowances on your W-4, what does that mean in simple terms? You can bring more money home out of your paycheck. You can bring more money home out of your paycheck. And now, because the government give you incentives, right? They give you benefits. They give you bonuses for people who have home-based business. And the great thing about this home-based business is you don't have to have inventory or sell products or services, right? It's all in the cloud. It's all systems, and it's all doing the things that you do every day. For, like I said, you go out to eat, take a screenshot on the app that you will be provided of the receipt. You drive mileage. Open the app and enter in the mileage that you're driving. For the utilities that you're paying for your home, a percentage of that now become business tax deductible, because now you are a home-based business member and attempting to do business, right? And now you have the benefits of all these hundreds and thousands of dollars that you normally wouldn't have. And at the end of the year, you turn this into your CPA or your qualified tax specialist, and you get money back 2 ways. So instead of allowing that money to leave your paycheck throughout the year, you get more money in your pocket, right? And more money to your home. And then what we do is we create a debt elimination plan, if you're in debt, to erase all the bad debt you have, or eliminate all the bad debt that you will have, right? To get rid of all the bad debt. And then we build up upon systems there. So that's the difference between cash flow and income, people. That's the difference between a budget and income shifting, right? A budget will help you with small things. It may save you $60 to $70 a month once you find out, I can cut this cable bill, or I can cut out on my Starbucks coffee, right, by the month. But I'm talking about significant change where you can bring home. One of the rules of Grant Cardone is do not seek a second stream of income until you learn how to increase the first one that you have. So if you have a job, the very first thing you need to be focused on is, how do I get more money out of my paycheck right now? How do I bring significant money home to help me eliminate my bills, to help me from getting insufficient fund fees, right? One of the things when I was married was we would use ATMs that were not connected with our bank, and we would spend $50 a month just on ATM fees, and then which would be insufficient fund fees that would transfer over. So just think $50 a month times 12 months. That's $600 a year in savings. So what would happen if you find an extra $300, $400 more out of your paycheck, right? Out of your paycheck, how would that improve your household? So I'm signing off. This is Miss Coach Deloach. Have a great, great morning. Have a great day. Make sure you hit like and share on Facebook. Thank you for joining. And if you, again, on YouTube, hit the bell notification. Give me the thumbs up. Subscribe to me on YouTube. This is To Better Credit and To Better Cash Flow. Some of my upcoming videos will cover how to cash flow your homes, right? How to cash flow your homes. You won't believe the hidden money that you have in your home to turn your home from an asset, things that are taking money out of your pocket. A liability, things that are taking money out of your pocket, to now an asset, a home that's putting money into your pocket. And how to pay your home off in 5 to 7 years. How to build your credit score. How to lower your interest fees. And how to get more money out of your paycheck. I'm signing off. Miss Coach Deloach.